Welcome, dear children, to the Rajkumar College, Rajkot. You have test tomorrow, right? So regarding the GK final second round, sorry. For that, let us do some revision the chapters that we have already done. Let us begin with the science and technology. The first one that we have done was directions. So there are four cardinal directions, right? North, south, west, east, right? Now see, in New Delhi is in north in India, China is in south of India, and Mumbai is in west of India, Kolkata is in the east of India. In this chapter, the girl has done a small experiment while standing. Okay, so the first one that we did is directions. The next one is regarding the computer. Okay, see, this all true or false, it's dependent on the computer quiz we have done on that day, right? You are already using this related to the basic computers, right? Then it comes to different inventions, right? So let us just revise the inventions. It is a machine used for making the food warm, microwave oven, right? It is used for heating water, geyser. Here it's a water geyser here, right? Then fridge, refrigerator, we can even say refrigerator. It helps you to see the things far away, binocular, right? uh, Even in Gujarati we say durbin, the things that is used to see very far away, we take it for whenever we are on a picnic or something like that, we use that, right? So it's called binocular. It's a machine that keeps the air inside or your room cool and dry. Air conditions, AC. It helps you to uh, remove dirt from even the smallest places. Vacuum cleaner, it can go to the place very under, like under our bed and far away. It will just suck the all the dirts and particles. Then this is used for mixture grinder. This is your mixture grinder mama is using at home, right? So it is a device that crushes something into small pieces or a powder. Fine. Now the next one, yes, the inventors and the inventions. Okay. Now see, Galileo, right? He has invented telescope. Then um, Graham Bell, he invented telephone. Then Thomas Edison, he had done the electric bulb. Then James Watt, he has done steam engine. Then James Harrison, he has done the refrigerator. This all the different people has invented the different inventions, great inventions. J.L. Braid, he has invented the telephone, or television. Sorry, J.L. Braid, he has invented television. Then the different pollutions that are there in the earth, right? um, Air pollution is there. Then when the water level increases, flood is there. hmm? Then noise pollution, um, then volcano eruption is there, water pollution is there, traffic congestion is there. One picture is given of environment and wildlife. So these are the different uh, about our earth, right? Different different things about our earth. Okay, I hope this was the last. And then the different vehicles like helicopter, bicycle, rickshaw, bike, or we can say um, motorcycle, hmm? Tractor used for plowing field. Hmm? So these are the different um, vehicles we have seen, right? Now let us go to the next one, the topic, that is, yes, things around us. We will do first that, things around us. Okay, now the first one is my hobby. Hobby is like you do whenever you are free, right? You do it in the free time. So all of us have some or other hobbies to do, right? So here some hobbies have been shown to you, that is painting, singing, reading, fit, philately. Philately means the hobby of collecting the stamps. Then photography, dancing. These are so different hobbies. Okay. The next one, different types of houses, right? Kacha house is there, flats or we can say apartment is there, then tent, caravan, bungalow, houseboat. These are the different places where the people live according to the situation, right? According to the surroundings, right? Hmm? So these are the different houses according to the surrounding they live. Okay, the next thing we have done was different languages. Hmm. There are actually 22 official recognized language, right? Now French people, right, in France they speak in French. Okay, like same way in England they speak in English, Japanese in Japan, Russian in Russia, Bhutani in Bhutan. Same way Gujarat, we speak Gujarati, right? Our state. Now name the state in which these languages are mainly spoken. Kannada is speaking in Karnataka. Malayalam is spoken in Kerala. Okay, and you have to remember that India has 22 officials recognized languages. Okay, so next one we did was, yes, different dressings. Huh? Now um, first one, C, that was Tamil Nadu. Hmm? Then number 2, that is Rajasthan. Number 3, West Bengal. Number 4, Punjab. Number 5, Kerala. And number 6, Manipur. Okay. So these are the different dressing according to the state wise, right? Then comes the awareness club, things around us. This in this activity you are supposed to do what is good for you and like that, right? So this you were supposed to do by yourself, that brushing the teeth is a good habit or not, bathing once is a good habit or not, then packing your school bag at the night before is a good habit or not. Suppose tomorrow I have to go to school, so before that one day I pack my bag. So is it a good before it's a good work or not, right? So same way you are supposed to take the good points for yourself, right? Then our neighborhoods. First we did about bank. Neighborhoods means those who, the people who stay next to us, right? Banks, then hospital, market. Even we have learnt about a doctor, the doctor who is treating to the treating to the animals is a veterinarian doctor, right? And the doctor who is treating is to whom he is treating is called a patient. Then you have gone to the market, the person who is selling all the household items is a grocer, and the only selling the vegetables is a greengrocer. Then we have seen the post office, right? If you remember, I told you how the letters go and come. Then we have seen the police station. Here you were supposed to write the which is the hospital near to your house, which is the market near to your house. It was your own activity, right? So these are the different things around us. These are some who is working us, helping us, right? First one is an architect who designs our house and buildings, okay? The second is cartoonist. He is making the different cartoons. Then next one is journalist, who a person who is reporting news and writes for the newspaper, right? Then is an architect, then air hostess, right? Then a carpenter who makes a furniture, and the doctor who is treating the animals is a veterinary doctor. Then we have also seen the jockey. The person who rides horses and doing horse riding is a jockey. Then a person who plays a video is a video disc jockey, means DJ. And the person who is in the radio, that person is speaking, that is called radio jockey. Okay, so these are the different people who work at a time for us, right? If journalist is writing news, it's to news, so we'll come to know, okay, the from that the different news of our city or the country or the state, right? So this is are the things around us. Next part that we have done was, yes, around the world, right? We have done around the world. Famous monuments we have seen. The Leaning Tower of Pisa. Why it is named as Leaning Tower of Pisa? Because it is leaning on one side. Then Acropolis, Stonehenge, Sydney of Opera, Eiffel Tower. Please read this carefully, okay? Then the different places we have, the different cities and countries we have written where this is been, this monuments are available, means the places where you can visit is, right? Golden Temple is at Amritsar, India. Mumbai, Gateway of India, right? So this way we have written the name of a city and the city is in which country, along with that we have written, right? So please remember the names, identify the pictures. Fine. Okay, the next one. Yes, very famous personalities. The first picture on the left side is of Mr. Bill Gates. He is the owner of a company. Then Z. Lin. He is a person scholar in Sanskrit and he has translated Ramayana into Chinese language. Okay. The same way after Bill Gates, Mr. Bill Gates, she is Miss Sonia Gandhi. After G. Zealand, he is Mr. Anna Hazare. After Miss Sonia Gandhi, Mr. Barack Obama. Then Hillary Clinton, Prince William, and then Ban Ki Moon. Okay, these are very famous icons, and according to their designation, according to their work, we have written in the blanks. Okay, then the different flags. Okay, India's flag is also called a tricolor, right? The wheels at the center of the flag is Ashok Chakra. Saffron is national flag, stands for courage and sacrifice. White color stands for peace and green color stands for fertility. Fertility means prosperity, healthy, like that. Okay, so that was all for the GK round 2, right? So please learn properly, read everything, even some exercise. I'm sorry to show you at the back of your book some reasoning, and that is given, some blanks are given, you can revise this, right? See, these are some reasoning and aptitude, some logical questions may be asked. Okay, so basic, the day-to-day life, routine life examples are there. Okay, and do your best, please read everything and try to remember the words. Thank you for today, children. Best of luck for your exam. Do well. Thank you and have a nice day.